Ghanaian snacks are so versatile and unique. Today I'm making Brukina, a refreshing northern drink made from millet and yogurt. And for the twist, I'll be using Hausa Kooko flour made from millet and spices. And since this contains the base ingredient for Brukina, I think this should work. So guys, let's try it out. In a bowl I'll measure a cup of flour mix, add in water bit by bit until I get a crumb-like consistency. The water I added was actually a lot, so I had to go in with about an 8 cup of additional flour to get the right texture. At the end, you want a slightly wet dough, but not sticky, okay? That's the key because if it's too sticky, it will be very difficult to form the pearls properly. So once you are done, the next thing you're going to do is to make the mini pearls with the dough. There are actually several ways you can do this. For starters, you can use a sieve. Just add in a bit of the dough, then shake it in a circular motion, just like I'm doing. And you can go in occasionally to break the bigger lump just to get a more even pearls. If today's your first time here, I'm Stella and I share amazing recipes. So if this is what you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel, turn your post notification so you never miss an upload from me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Another way you can do this is with a bowl. Just follow the same procedure as I've showed earlier, just moving it in a circular motion and occasionally breaking up the larger lumps, and you'd end up with something like this. Guys, whichever way you go, you still end up with something like this, okay? Try to make the pearls roughly the same size as I've said earlier so that they steam evenly. It's very important. So once it's ready, the next step is to steam them. On boiling water, I'll put a sieve on it and spread a cloth. I'll pour the millet pearls on the cloth, spread them out well, cover and let it steam for roughly 15 minutes. If you're still watching at this point, why don't you just like this video? Thank you so much. After 15 minutes, I checked on it, mixed it up and covered with additional cloth to trap the steam properly. And guys, the extra cloth really helped because when I checked again after 20 minutes, this was already done. You know your pearls are done when they are soft, very brown and hold their shape, okay? And this literally looks like wasa wasa. If you know wasa wasa, you'd agree with me on that. This looks so good, guys. I'll take it off the heat, transfer it to a bowl, fluff it up to break the lumps and allow it cool. Now to make the yogurt mix, I'm going to keep it pretty simple, okay? In a bowl, I'll add in 500 grams of Greek yogurt. Then to this, 1 cup of whole milk, a sachet of vanilla sugar and mix it up. If you don't have vanilla sugar, you can just use the vanilla extract and replace it with additional sugar. In addition to this, I also added some extra cubes of sugar to build the sweetness, and guys, that was it. You can actually go extra with this and add in cream or evaporated milk or anything of choice just to, make it more thicker. But for me, this was good. To this, I will add in the steamed millet pearls, mix it all up until well combined. And guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. Allowed it to chill a bit in the fridge and went ahead and served this. Frankly, the taste was exactly as expected, just like the traditional Brukina. So I guess this worked, yeah. Now, if you want to taste the traditional Brukina without going through all the stress, you can definitely use Hausa Kooko flour. This has been tried and tested and it absolutely works. Let me know if this video was helpful. If you have any recipe you want me to try, just leave it in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!